Chapter 6, Starting QBasic Programming.
Chapter Focus.
Quick Basic and QBasic. QBasic window. QBasic elements. Different QBasic commands. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, which is one of the programming languages developed by Professor John G. Kemeny and Thomas E. Kurtz in 1964. BASIC uses English words and mathematical symbols to write programs. It was an ideal programming language for beginners because of its intuitive commands, simple structure and flexibility. QBasic. QBasic is a modern form of BASIC which is easy to learn and understand. It was released in 1991 by Microsoft, which was included for free with MS-DOS 5 and later versions. It also comes packed in with the Windows operating system. QBasic is a high-level programming language that helps us to write, edit, execute, and correct a program. The programs written in QBasic need to be converted into machine codes. QBasic provides working area to write programs, and QBasic has its own interpreter, which converts one statement of a program into machine code at a time. After the execution of the previous statement, it converts another statement of the program into machine code and so on. For this reason, QBasic is also called an interpreter. Features of QBasic. Some important features of QBasic language are given below. The programs do not use technical terminology. The commands are given in separate lines. New programs can be made and old ones deleted. The structure of the program is simple. The programs are not dependent on the machines. The programs automatically check syntaxes. The programs capitalize the reserved words. The programs allow you to break lengthy programs into modules. Starting QBasic. QBasic program can be started by clicking on qbasic.exe file. After some time, the following window appears on the screen called QBasic Editor. QBasic Editor screen. QBasic Editor is the window where you write programs. The editor provides all the facilities to write programs and edit them. QBasic Editor screen has 4 parts. Menu bar, program window, immediate window, status bar. 1. Menu bar. The menu bar consists of list of menus like File, View, Search, Run, Debug, Options and Help. 2. Program window. The upper window, which is titled as Untitled, is the window where you write programs. This window is called Program Window. To see the output of the statements written in this window, you need to press Shift plus F5 key. 3. Immediate window. The lower window, which is titled as Immediate, is known as Immediate window, where you test commands, expressions, etc. As soon as you press Enter key, it displays the output on the screen. Note, F6 function key is used to switch from program window to immediate window and vice versa. 4. Status bar. The status bar shows shortcut keys and the location of the cursor on the screen. Elements of QBasic. Every programming language consists of some basic elements which are required to make a program. The elements required to construct a QBasic program consist of a set of characters, keywords, constants, variables, operators, and expressions. Character set. A set of characters that are allowed to be used in QBasic is known as the QBasic character set. The QBasic character set consists of alphabet, both small and capital, numbers 0 to 9, and special characters. These special characters have their own meaning and function. The special characters used in QBasic are: QBasic keywords and variables are formed by using the characters defined in the QBasic character set. Keyword. Keywords are those words which have special meanings in QBasic. Keywords are formed by using characters of QBasic character set. Keywords are statements, commands, functions, and names of operators. The keywords are also called reserved words. Some reserved words are CLS, REM, input, let, print, for, do, select, mid followed by the $sign, ASC, SQR, len, left followed by $sign, time followed by $sign, and INT. Constants. Constants are the data or the values in a program that cannot be changed during the program execution. The data may be a letter, words, numbers, or special characters. A constant can be stored in a variable when it is required to be used in more than one statement or expression. In QBasic, these data or constants are grouped into two main categories. They are numeric constants. They can be positive, negative, and can have decimal points. Mathematical operations can be carried out with them. For example, 6, 5, 30, 6.8, etc. String constants. These are enclosed in the double quotes. They can be made up of letters, special characters, and blank spaces. For example, Manya in double quotes, 11111 in double quotes, East Park Road in double quotes. Variable. A variable is a place in the computer memory which has a name and stores data temporarily. Simply, you can say a variable is an entity that stores data needed to be used in a program. Each program defines different number of variables. A value of a variable can be changed during the execution of the program. There are mainly two types of variables. They are string variable. A string variable stores string data. Its type declaration sign is $, name $, address $, book name $, game name $, etc. are examples of string variables. Numeric variable. A numeric variable stores numeric data. A numeric variable can be integer, salary followed by exclamation, age followed by percentage, mark, number 1, number 2, first num, roll number, etc. Rules for naming a variable. Variable names can have maximum of 40 characters. Variable names can have alphabets, numbers, and decimal point. A variable name must begin with a letter. Variable names cannot be reserved words. Variable names may be ended with type declaration characters like $, percentage, ampersand, exclamation, and operator. Operators are symbols that indicate the type of operation QBasic has to perform on the data or on the values of variables. There are 4 types of operators in QBasic. They are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and string operators. 1. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and exponential. The following table shows arithmetic operators used in QBasic. Operation, operator, example, result. Addition, 5 plus 8, 13. Subtraction, 8 minus 6, 2. Multiplication, 5 multiplied by 4, 20. Division, 8 divided by 2, 4. Integer division, 9 / 2, 4. Exponential, 4 exponential 3, 64. Modular division, mod, 7 mod 3, 1. 2. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to perform comparisons on two values of the same type. A comparison of string data with numeric data cannot be done. The comparison of string data is done on the basis of ASCII value. The result of comparison is either true, non-zero, or false, 0. The following table shows the relational operators used in QBasic. Operator, relation, example, equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal. 3. Logical operators. Logical operators combine two or more relational expressions to evaluate a single value as true, that is non-zero, or false as zero. The result of evaluation is used to make decisions about the program flow. The commonly used logical operators in QBasic are AND, OR, and NOT. 4. String operators. String operators join two or more than two string data. The plus sign is used as the string operator. The act of combining two strings is called concatenation. Statements. A single command is called statement. Every programming language has some special set of commands to give instructions to the computer. QBasic has set of commands for performing different tasks. We shall now learn some more statements or commands in QBasic. 1. CLS command. The CLS statement allows you to clear the screen. When we run a program containing CLS screen, it clears the output screen. Syntax CLS. 2. Let statement. The let statement is used to assign a constant value to a name, a variable to a variable name, or the result of an expression to a variable name. Therefore, the let statement is often referred to as a statement. Syntax. Let variable name in angular bracket is equal to value. The value given to a variable can be numeric or string constant. For example, let A equals 10, numeric value. Let name followed by $sign equal bookmagic in double quote, string constant value. 3. REM statement. REM stands for remark. It is a non-executable statement used to give special remarks, comments, or notes within the program. They are just used to add explanatory notes in the program. Syntax REM comment. 4. Input statement. The input statement allows you to read characters from the keyboard and stores the information in a variable. For example, when user runs the program, the question mark appears on the screen to get the value of a variable. Here is what an input statement looks like. Input name followed by $sign in double quotes, semicolon name. Syntax input followed by message in double quotes, semicolon variable in angular bracket. 5. Print statement. The print statement allows you to display the output on the screen. You must use quotation marks on both sides of the information you would like to display. If you do not place these quotation marks at the proper place when you are using the print statement, your program will fail to run correctly. More than one value can also be printed through print statement by separating them by using comma or a semicolon. If comma is used, then the values are separated by a large space, whereas when semicolon is used, values are separated by just one space. Syntax print message in double quotes. 6. Go-to statement. This statement enables you to jump to certain position within the program. Labels are used to specify what point in the program to execute. Syntax go to label in angular bracket. For example, print welcome in quotation marks, go to label, print to in quotation marks, label print computers in quotation mark. Output is welcome computers, print to is skipped. Do you know? 1. Constants remain same during the entire program execution. 2. The value of a variable can be changed during program execution. 3. The variable name must not have any space in between. 7. If, then, else. If, then, else statement is a conditional control statement in which if is a logical or arithmetic expression, then is an instruction, and else is another instruction or label. The instruction causes the program to perform a conditional branch based on whether the test if is true. If is true, then is executed. If is false, then is ignored and else is executed. Syntax. if condition, then action 1, else action 2. For example, input age in quotation mark semicolon A. If A is greater than 18, then print you are major in quotation marks, else print you are minor in quotation marks. Starting a new program in QBasic. To start a new program, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the File menu on the menu bar. Step 2. Select New from the list of options. The other options in File menu are as follows. Open option to work on earlier saved program. Save and Save as options for storing the program in floppy or hard disk. Print option for printing the commands given by you on paper. Creating and saving a program. Type the following in the QBasic window. Step 1. REM to display message. Print QBasic is a programming language in double quotes. Step 2. Click on Run menu. Step 3. Click on Start. You can also press Shift plus F5 on the keyboard. The output screen will appear. If the program has an error or the commands of QBasic are not properly or correctly used, then computer will give error message. Correct the error first to run the program. Do you know? QBasic is made up of a group of statements written in separate lines to show the output. To run a program, we can also press F5 key on the keyboard. Saving a file. To save the file in QBasic program, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on File menu. Step 2. Click on Save option. Save dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the file name. Step 4. Click on OK. Do you know? Files saved in QBasic will have an extension .bas. Exit QBasic. To exit from QBasic program, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on File menu. Step 2. Click on Exit option. Commands of QBasic. Print. Step 1. Type print into double quotes. Computer is an electronic device. Print 300. Step 2. Press F5 key from the keyboard. The output of your command will appear on the screen. Print statement is also used to print the special characters. 1. Type the following in program mode. 2. Press F5 key from keyboard. 1. Type the following in program mode. 2. Press F5 key from keyboard. Using semicolon with print command. The print statement can be used with a comma or a semicolon. In case of printing 3 words in a row, use semicolon with print. Using a semicolon with print command inserts a single black space in between the words. Leaving a blank line. To leave a blank line in between lines, the print command can be given without any data. Using comma with print. A comma can be used to put out text in different zones of lines. A line on the QBasic screen is separated into 5 zones each with 14 spaces. Input command. Input command is used to assign the value or data to variable at the time of execution. 1. Type the following in program mode. 2. Press F5 key from the keyboard. 1. Type the following in program mode. 2. Press F5 key from the keyboard. The computer will display question mark on the screen when we run a program. It waits for the user to enter the value. It will run only after user's response. The data entered by the user must be as required by the variable. The data type must match. The input statement also allows displaying message to make the program user-friendly and to guide the user to enter correct data. You can also put multiple data into multiple variables in one input statement. Given below is the program to print the percentage scored by a student. Now, to get the concept clear, let's write its example of QBasic program on the computer using the above statements. 1. REM program to enter two numbers and display their sum, difference and product. 2. REM program to enter the cost price and selling price of an item and calculate the profit. 3. REM program to print the area of a rectangle. Use of colon. By using the colon as a separator, two or more statements can be combined in a single line. Points to remember. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Microsoft QBasic is a modern form of BASIC which is easy to learn and understand. QBasic is a high-level programming language that allows us to write programs. QBasic Editor is the window where you write programs. The QBasic character set consists of alphabet, both capital and small, numbers 0 to 9, and special characters. Keywords are formed by using characters of QBasic character set. Constants are the data or the values in a program that cannot be changed during the program execution. Operators are symbols that indicate the type of operation QBasic has to perform on the data or on the values of variable. A. Tick the correct option.